The Endless Night, exploring Alif Laila o Laila, The 1001 Nights. Episode 001, The Tale of Stories That Saved a Life. Welcome to Echoes of the East, a podcast where stories meet history and imagination becomes a form of wisdom. I'm your host, and today we enter the magical, mysterious, and deeply philosophical world. There lived a king named Shahryar. After being betrayed by his queen, he was consumed by anger and mistrust. Each night he married a new bride, and each dawn he ordered her execution. But one night, a young woman named Scheherazade, in Arabic Scheherazade, volunteered to marry him. What followed changed the history of storytelling forever. One night after the other, she told stories, 1001 of them, until the king's heart, once hardened by cruelty, was softened by wonder, empathy, and love. Scheherazade saved not only her own life, but perhaps the soul of a civilization. Alif Laila o Laila is an ocean of tales within tales, a storytelling universe where fantasy meets wisdom. The stories travel across lands and centuries, from the deserts of Arabia to the markets of Baghdad, from the palaces of Persia to the ports of India and China. Among them, we find unforgettable characters: Aladdin and his lamp, Ali Baba and the 40 thieves, Sinbad the sailor, and countless unnamed wanderers, merchants, lovers, and kings. But what makes this book truly extraordinary is not just the adventure, it's the idea that stories themselves can be acts of resistance. Scheherazade turns narration into survival, and imagination into moral power. Think about it. What is she really doing? In a world ruled by tyranny and violence, she uses language, gentle,